As you can see, I'm doing my little illegal maneuver, but once I get up in here, I'm in let's merge into traffic lane. And sometimes you're not always seen, especially by that van. He probably had no way to see me. I give him a little bump. He saw me right away.
What was that?
And now I got it. That was him. It happens. Just gotta be careful. So there's Old Glory. And this is my commute home back to Hampton, going across the Chesapeake Bay once again.
You wanna go around me?
Yeah. Guy was kind of borderline tailgating me the whole way. The guy that about merged into me. Here I just couldn't take it no more. I hardly ever do this. See, he was gonna move over. It looked like it. Yeah, I just made sure I got past him. Ooh. Yeah. Sound effects for your pleasure. Yeah, that's a good way to lose your motorcycle and lose your license, maybe. Who knows? That's why you have to be responsible. I'm not that responsible. I want to be. Once you feel those RPMs, you get on a roll. Oh, we're going to have a blast up here. Watch this. Kaboom. Decel. Thing sounds so good. It's a ripper. So yeah, this is going to be a short and sweet one. It's my commute home. Look at all that traffic over to the left. I have a couple hazards coming up. Always fear a U-turner coming out of this traffic. They abandoned their post. See?
Yep, the U-turners, those are the ones.
Yep.
I always talk about them when I go by this long line, somebody who does something like that.
Yep. And there goes another polar outer. Jeez. That's what I thought too.
People are insane, man. That's how you do it. A T-bone. Those are the accidents you get and the ambulance ride. People tell you not to rev bomb. Got him looking.
Yep. That's what I think the rev bombs do. Get some attentions. Give some awareness. Hey, look out next time, or be more careful. You know, scare them as much as they scared you. Otherwise, they may think nothing of it. Yeah, we're just doing a little finish up here to get home. It's only 35 miles an hour, so I gotta chill and get my relax on. Yeah, we're just gonna make, like I said, a real short video here.
One of those days, man.
It was.
You wish you weren't on the motorcycle.
Yeah.
I ain't home yet.
Yep. Not home till you're home, so still be looking out. There we are. Bye-bye, y'all.